Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Revolve features and shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create the center line here with 660 millimeters. And create this side of this sketch, okay? We have all the dimensions here. So open the Fusion and let's go. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 660 millimeters. Okay, create a line here with 316. Select a line again. Make a line here, an arc, a line here, an arc here. Sorry, this arc, let me delete this. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 370 millimeters of radius. The distance between this point and this point here is 260 millimeters. The distance between these two lines here is 54 millimeters. The distance between this point and this line here is 51 millimeters. And the radius here is 10 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the tangent, make sure that this arc is tangent with this line and tangent with this line here, okay? Now go to sketch dimension, select this line here, click with the right button here, and select pick circle arc tangent, okay? And select this point here. The distance here is 260 millimeters. We made this, okay? Now create a line here because we needed to use the Revolve 2 times. So we have this profile and this profile here. I created this line here, okay? Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve, select this profile. The axis, select this line here. Extrude this, operation new body, press OK. Now we need to remove this face here. And the thickness here will be 10 millimeters, okay? So go to modify, select shell, select this face. The thickness here is 10 millimeters and press OK. Now show the sketch 1 again. Go to Revolve, select this profile. The axis, select this line here, operation join, and press OK. We made this. Let me hide the sketch 1. Go to inspect, section analysis, flip the direction. We made this, okay? So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.